Now chapter 1, passage 1. The house, the only one in the entire valley, sat on the crest of a low hill. From this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn, dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. Throughout the morning, Lencho, who knew his fields intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. So, coming to the meaning that the house, there was a house, it was the only house in the entire valley located on the crest of a low hill. Low hill means very small hill. On the crest means top of a hill. Crest means top of a hill. You can see the crest here, top of a hill. Crest means this is called crest. See here, crest, top of a hill. You can see here. So there was a house on the top of a small hill. This is that. And from this height, one could see the river and the field of ripe corn, dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. So from this height, we could see the river and the field of ripe corn. Ripe corn. We could see the flowing river and the field of ripe corn. Corn means maize, crop. Ripe corn means ready to cut, ready to get the crop. Ripe corn, ripe maize. It was ready. Yes, dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. Dotted with flowers, spread over. Dotted means spread over. Dotted means spread over. With flowers, covered with flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was, to get the good harvest, the earth needed was a downpour or at least a shower. You need not apply or put anything. You did not require to get that much harvest. Simply the earth required only a downpour. Downpour means rainfall. And a shower. Shower means just sprinkling water. That's it. To get that much harvest. Throughout the morning, Lencho, the main character of our lesson, Lencho, who was a farmer, who knew his fields intimately. We know already he is a farmer, so he knew his fields intimately. Intimately means familiarly. He knew well about his fields. So, Lencho, who knew his fields well, intimately, had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. He was looking at the sky towards the northeast. Towards the northeast means the corner between the north and the east side. The corner between the north and the east side. Towards the north and east.